Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, war day number 532. 532 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 9th, 2023. We have two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw puzzle, yes. And we have a regular Medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars. I think this one is a 1-star puzzle. Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru, but sometimes they call it also in English the Jigsaw puzzle. Another one, but what 1 star. The last one is the binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will do in the evening. But first, let me start with these 2 regular puzzles. Here, regular puzzle, and the first one is the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 6891. Yeah, 6891. More lights, okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've not counted yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, the 2 stars has 26 printed digits. It's a 2 stars puzzle. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. So the 3 stars has 25. The 4 stars 24. So, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah. For 3 stars, 20 to 30. For 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, let me see. Which number can I pick? How about, well, the 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. How about, we have a pair, 5 and a 6 in the last row, 5 and a 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. Okay. Come on. 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in the middle column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column. No 3 there, so the 3 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 in the first column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column the only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right, okay. Let me think. 159. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. So, can I? No, I cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Let me mark those. 1, 2, 7. That means we have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. Okay. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So no 7 there. A 7 should be there. Okay. I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about 5, 6, and 2. Need a 2 here. Yeah, need a 2 there. I'm thinking. 2, okay. The 2 there. 4 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Look, we have an 8 in the second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 7. I've marked these 3 boxes with 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. 7. Then 1. Let me think. 2 numbers. No. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. And look, we have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Then 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left with 8 should be there. And we have a pair, 7 and 8 in the last column, 7 and 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 2 goes there. Do we have all the 8s? Yes, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. One box left in this row for number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4. In this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. How about the 9 now? The 9. Nope. Still, I cannot feel the number 9. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. Yep. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. Then, 1 and the 4. Well. Come on. Need a 6 here. 1, 4, 2. No 1 here. 1. Well, we need a 1 in the first column. We have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. Yeah, can be a 1 because we have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. The only place left with 1 in the first column should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. then 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Told you, should be a 2 stars a puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the Tectonic, yeah, aka Jigsaw Puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.